Minister has to open his mouth. Manipur.
You have to suspend all other business and take up this. Not happen.
What is there to be sorry?
You allow me to.
But don't be sorry about it. All of us must follow procedure.
No, I am following. Sir, I am following. That's why I keep quiet. I raised my finger.
But you are holding the floor, sir.
I
allow you to hold the floor.
Attractive. But
Continue, sir.
How a leader of the house suddenly get up and we are ready, because the agenda is not read fully, because we have also given notice 267 suspension of business under rule 267 on this day, and that is pertaining to thus you have to suspend all other business and take up this, not happen all.
Honorable members, honorable members,
let call Pradhan Mantri give statement.
One second.
We will discuss.
We have business listed. 267 is the next item. I have to go sequentially. Under the mandate of the rule, I have to consult date and time from the leader of the house.
Reading 267, the first line. Page 92 says, any rule be suspended in its application to a motion to the business listed before the council of the day. The rule in question shall be suspended for the time being. This means no other business till 267 is discussed first. Where does 176 come into this? There's no 176. It is on 267, and we want a discussion here on Manipur. We want a discussion, and the Prime Minister